Why is it that brushing your teeth is easier than working out? You do not brush your teeth because you feel motivated. You brush your teeth because it has become part of your life. It has become a habit. So if you want to stay consistent in your fitness journey, that's how you need to be thinking about working out. So if you've ever had a workout plan and you quit after a few weeks, this video is for you. So stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you the 4 simple steps and the mindset shift that will make your workout as automatic as brushing your teeth. So just a quick one. If you're new to my channel, my name is Raziik and I help people to stay consistent in fitness. As someone who has been working out for more than 7 years, I know how hard it is to be consistent in fitness. So if this is something you are struggling with, you've come to the right place. So welcome to my channel, Get Fit with Raziik. I get it. You've started your fitness journey. The motivation is high. The fire is burning in you. You go for some few weeks. You get demotivated. You stop. You feel bad about yourself. You get another motivation. You go again. So you're just going back and forth. By the time you realize you've quit fitness, I get it. But here's the truth. The reason why you're not consistent in fitness is not because you are lazy. It's not because fitness is not meant for you. It's because the system you are using is broken. That is why you are not consistent. So in this video, we are going to fix this issue. So now let's talk about why brushing your teeth is so easy. We do not brush our teeth because we feel motivated to brush our teeth. We don't need to watch motivational videos in order to brush our teeth. We just wake up and brush our teeth. Why? Because brushing of teeth has become part of our life. It has become a habit, because since we were kids, we've been told to brush our teeth. So we've been doing that particular thing for a very long time that it has become a habit. Repetition is the key to consistency. Consistency is not about how much you do something, it's about how many times you do that particular thing. When you're able to repeat something for a long period of time, that is what builds consistency. And that is why brushing our teeth has become automatic. It has become easy. You don't need motivation in order to brush your teeth. So now let's talk about why working out feels harder. The reason why working out feels harder, not because of the working out itself, is because of the mindset that we have around working out and going to the gym. Because we treat working out as a special event, as a special occasion that need a special treatment, that need a special dress code. When you do that, you make the working out overwhelming. And when you make something overwhelming to do, automatically, this is what the brain does. The brain would discourage you from doing that thing. So one time on social media, I was going through some questions and people were asking about fitness. And someone asked a question that made me surprised. So the person was asking, what is the right training gear one can wear to the gym? Who give a damn about what you wear? So far as it makes you comfortable, you can wear whatever you want to wear. Nobody cares about whatever you are. So far as you feel comfortable wearing that and you feel comfortable wearing that working out, that is okay. So when you are thinking about all these things, it becomes overwhelming. How do I look in the gym? How do I do this? What type of dress to wear to the gym? When you think about all these things, working out will become overwhelming for you. And when it becomes overwhelming, it will be very difficult for you to be consistent, because the brain will be discouraging you to be doing that. So now let's talk about the 4 simple steps and mindset shift that will make your workout as automatic as brushing your teeth. The first step, start small. If you want to make your workout as automatic as brushing your teeth, you need to make your workout as simple as it can be. Don't overcomplicate the process, because when you make your workout to be complex, that is why it will become overwhelming for the brain. The brain will discourage you from working out. Make your workout to be simple, because the less complicated your workout is, the more easier for you to be consistent in working out. So normally, I tell people who are about to start their fitness journey that if you're about to start your fitness journey, start it at home. There's a whole lot of convenience when you are working out at home. So actually, I've done a video whereby I talk about the pros and cons of working out at home and working out at the gym. So I will leave the link at the end of this video. So try as much as possible to watch it after watching this video. So when I started my fitness journey, I was not doing much. I was basically working out at home. I was just doing 30 minutes or 45 minutes of workout, just normal push-up, squatting. So I was having these small bottles that I fill with water, which is what I used. So my workout was simple. It was not complicated. And I was doing it at the convenience of my home. So I didn't have to commute to anywhere. I didn't have to have a special equipment. I didn't have to have a special gym wear in order to work out. So when you have a simplified workout plan, it is easy for you to show up each and every day. It will be easy for you to be consistent. So the second step is habit stacking. If you don't know what is habit stacking, relax. I will explain. If you want your workout to be automatic as brushing your teeth, you need to find one habit that you normally do, whether it is reading books, brushing your teeth, bathing, playing instruments. No matter the habit, just find one habit you normally do on a daily basis, then attach a workout to it. So this is what I did when I started my fitness journey. For me to be consistent in doing that, this is what I did. I attached working out to bathing. So before I will bath, I will work out 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So there's no way I will not work out each and every day, because there's no way I will not bath. And if I want to bath, I have to work out. And there's no way I will not bath. It became automatic. So I'll work out immediately after working out, then I'll go and take my bath. And this is what helped me to be consistent. So if you want to be consistent in your workout, you can attach working out to something that you already do. And it should come before that habit. It shouldn't come after the habit. When you do it, your workout will be as automatic as brushing your teeth. The next step is to prepare your environment. This is especially for those who goes to the gym to work out. If you want to be consistent in working out, you have to prepare the environment. Preparing the environment means that a day before you go to the gym, make sure that you prepare everything that you will need in the gym. You prepare your bag, you pack your training gears, anything you are going to need in the gym. Try as much as possible to prepare it a day before. When you do that, it will be very difficult for you to miss that day because you've already prepared for it. This is how the brain works. Anytime you prepare for something, that is how you're able to build confidence and you're able to show up. When the brain does not know what to do, when it is not planned, it becomes overwhelming for the brain. So guess what? The brain will try to discourage you of doing that particular thing. But when you plan everything beforehand, immediately you wake up, you just take your bag, you are moving. It reaffirms to the brain that this process is not overwhelming, and that will make you consistent in your fitness. The next step is to track small wins. I cannot overemphasize this. If you're a beginner or you've already started your fitness, it is very important to track small wins, especially if you are not seeing any results now. The reason why it is important to track small wins is this. The brain has something called the brain reward system. It's anytime we do something for feeling, we feel good about ourselves and we get a dopamine hit. And that dopamine hit is what makes us feel good, and that is what is going to make us repeat that particular thing in order to get that pleasure that we got from doing it. That is the brain reward system. So if you want to be consistent in your workout, you need to track small wins that you get in order to get that mini dopamine hit, which will make you feel good about yourself. That will make you to repeat that particular thing over a period of time. And that is how you build consistency. If you want to track small wins, this is how you're supposed to do. You are supposed to have a schedule. For instance, Mondays and Tuesdays, I'm going to go to the gym and work out, or I'm going to work out at home, 30 minutes jogging, 30 minutes of stretching. When you have this schedule and you execute it, then you take. Monday you go, you take. Tuesday you go, you take. When you do that, automatically you feel good because the brain reward system is activated. When you plan to do something and you go through with it and you feel good about that thing, that is how the dopamine gets released. So tracking small wins is essential. It's very important in being consistent in your workout. Now, let's talk about the mindset shift. What we are going to talk about is something most people overlook when it comes to consistency in fitness. When I started my fitness journey, this is how I perceived myself. I perceive myself as someone who don't joke with fitness. That is the identity I created for myself. So no matter my schedule, no matter how busy life is, I always find ways and means to work out. When you're able to have that mindset shift, you'll be able to be consistent in your fitness journey. So have this mindset shift and it will help you to make your workout as automatic as brushing your teeth. So if this video has resonated with you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so anytime that I post a new video, you'll be alerted. And also comment below that you are going to try these 4 simple steps in order to help you to be consistent, in order to make your workout as automatic as brushing your teeth. So remember, consistency beats motivation. I will see you in the next video.